Hello, hi everybody. My name is Qisoo Ahmed. Today I found a wallet with £220. I would like to show you. This is a wallet. Let me just see. This is a wallet with lots of money and bank, driving license and bank cards. Lots of things inside. So as a Muslim, we believe this is forbidden for me, and I have to return back to his owner, to the owner. So stay with me to see, because I picked up the address from the driving license. Now I'm in front of her address, so see what she's gonna say. Somebody.
Yeah, who are you?
Can I speak to your wife, please?
No, you can't.
Because I need to find out, did she lost anything?
What?
Did she lost anything?
Yeah, we lost our wallet.
Okay, I found the wallet.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Is that right? I just recording a video. I found your wife's wallet.
It's not my wife's wallet, it's my wallet.
It's yours?
Yeah, I'm Gabby Meldrum.
Oh, this is...
That's me!
Okay, I got your wallet. There you go. This is your driving license. Let me give you back your wallet.
What's your name?
My name is Qisoo Ahmed.
Oh my God.
I'm a Muslim guy. So you are lucky. You're lucky I got your wallet.
Did you pick it up in the garage?
No, I have picked it up on Fort Greene Road. You know where you go to Norton before the traffic light. So
Was it just on the road?
yeah, it was on the road.
I must have left it on my car when I left the petrol station.
Probably it wasn't in the petrol station.
It's all my life savings.
So
All my cards. I was just about to... It killed us. Absolutely killed us. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
Oh my
So-
God. You are such a good person.
So no problem. This is what religion teaches me. So check.
I think I pray to God soon. And thank God.
You know,
my eldest girl was in the back of the car praying to God.
Right.
She was praying.
She was praying to God.
Necklace, yeah.
Check your money. See, right money's there.
I don't believe this is happening. You're such a kind person.
Right.
There's nobody else like you in the world. How can I repay you?
Nothing. I don't need nothing. Just check your money. Everything is
Do you want to learn to
right.
play? No, it's fine. Do you want to learn to play the guitar? I teach guitar.
Oh no, thank you very much.
What can I do to
I'd
say
like
thank
to
you?
record that video.
Yeah,
Just
of course.
to show
Thank
my
you
friends.
so much.
I take this money back
Yeah,
to
no.
there.
This
So
morning.
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. I'm so glad I make you happy.
Happy! You saved my life. All my
Lovely.
life. You don't know how much we needed that money.
Yeah.
My children have just left their mother to move in with me because they did not like her.
So
And I've taken on a lot.
I'm sure you're a lucky person. I found your wallet.
I'm the luckiest man in the world. Thank you so much.
I think if there, because today's Muslim people look at the Muslim very bad, yeah.
I know.
But
I know.
I'm sure if that was because
Do you believe in Sharia law?
you know what I believe. I believe there is a original Muslim and fake Muslim, and the fake Muslims those are which is extremely Muslim like Al Qaeda and ISIS.
Yeah, but Al Qaeda.
I'm sure if they find
Have a
that
cup of tea
money.
with us. Please have a cup of tea.
No, thank you. I'm sure if they find that money, they won't give you back. But,
Of course not.
No.
but the original Muslim and the good Muslim will look for the person, for the owner of that wallet.
It's changed
like
my life.
me. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
I will always remember this for the rest of my life.
No problem, mate.
Wow.
That's a
God wanted me to know something
yes.
today.
yeah. Thank you very much. That's what religion.
You are-
That's what Muslim religion teaches me. When I was baby till this time, to never think about no one money. If you find any money, even if I find money on the floor like a pound, which is you cannot look for the owner of that pound.
Of course not.
I will put in charity and never take that money.
So advanced.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your food. I'm sure you are happy now.
Yeah.
You're so happy.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You are
Bye-bye.
such a good person.
I am from. I working in Big Rails. You know Big Rails? Delivery driver.
Right.
I'm a delivery driver from Big
You know it?
Rails in Chile.
Yeah.
I'm working there. I'm a delivery driver there.
Yeah.
So, if you want to come down to.
Can we order?
Oh yes, why not?
Let's order now.
I will bring you a leaflet now. I give you a
Can you
menu.
bring me a
yeah?
leaflet, please?
Yeah. Okay, just hold on a second.
If you know anybody who wants guitar lessons,
Okay.
right? That's what I do for a living. I do guitar lessons,
Uh-huh.
and I also teach music technology. Anybody you know who think they might benefit from that, send them to me. Free lessons.
Thank you
as long
very
as they
much.
want.
If this,
Least I can
if
do.
this video,
Yes.
you don't mind this video,
Not
please
at
send
all.
it to BBC or.
Do anything you like with it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. They are happy now.
Oh my god.
Okay,
I'll
thanks.
walk out with you and get the
Okay.
Oh my god.
Tell me
Okay.
your name again.
My name is Peshwa Ahmed. I am Kurdish
Yeah.
of Iraq.
You're Kurdish.
Yes, I am.
Kurdish people are beautiful.
Thank you very
All
much.
the Kurdish people I've ever known were fantastic.
Thank you very much. I just get the menu.
Although Saddam Hussein,
Oh yeah.
he was trained and armed by us,
Oh yeah.
America,
Oh yes.
to beat the Iranians.
Oh yes.
My God.
Okay, my friends.
You are
There you
my
go.
friend.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm so happy.
Please, can we buy you a drink sometime?
Oh yeah, why not? Anytime you want to come,
Yeah,
you're welcome.
I can find you here.
Yeah.